My name is Thomas de Templer. I'm the CEO of Smart Things. I'm an industrial designer and I had the idea of making a nice wall mount for iPads. The first series we invented was called sDock. So this is a wall mount for flexible use. The iPad is used sometimes at the wall to be charged and to be secured. Sometimes it needs to be flexible. You need to work with it on the couch, on the table. And so we thought of a device which is not ugly when the iPad is not in. So it's a picture frame when the iPad is somewhere else. And this is called sDock. The second series we invented 3 years later is called sDock Fix, because it's for permanent installations where the iPad remains all the day at the wall. It also can be locked and can be charged. The products we sell, the wall mounts, they need to be have a charging solution, and over the time we realized that it's necessary to have several charging solutions. We have chargers for mains power, we have chargers working with PoE, and depending on the market, depending on the use case, the different charging options are great and fitting. This year we are introducing a whole new product which is unique in the world. It is an inductive charger which charges through a tabletop. The distance it can charge is 35 millimeters plus 3 millimeters for a small plate which is on top of the table surface, the desktop. It is just glued underneath the surface and connected, and it charges immediately. It's compatible to all G-compatible phones on the market. It will be available in end of May, beginning of June. Imagine in hotels, they have a lot of tables beside the bed. They don't want to destroy their tables. With this technology, they can simply stick it to the table, and if they don't like it or if technology changes, they can remove it. There's no damage to the furniture, to tables, and it's. I think we found the ideal solution for restaurants, hotels, for your home. sDot is unique because you need no installation at all. Simply plug and charge, and I'm excited to see what this product will bring us to. It will be installed in many hotels, restaurants worldwide, I'm sure.